Hey everyone! In today's review, we're delving into the AquaPure Pesticide Purifier, a groundbreaking device that promises to revolutionize how we cleanse our fruits and vegetables. The AquaPure Pesticide Purifier not only aims to remove harmful chemicals and bacteria, but also enhances the taste and safety of your produce. Join us as we explore the features, benefits, and overall performance of the AquaPure in this comprehensive review. What is AquaPure? AquaPure is a revolutionary purifier that uses water, salt, and electrolysis to remove up to 99.9% of pesticides, bacteria, and mold from fruits and vegetables, ensuring cleaner, tastier, and safer produce without the use of harsh chemicals or additives. Features of AquaPure. Electrolysis technology. Utilizes an innovative electrolysis process with just water and salt to eliminate contaminants effectively. 99.9% pesticide removal. Proven to remove up to 99.9% of pesticides, ensuring cleaner, safer produce. Chemical-free cleaning. Offers a natural cleaning solution without harsh chemicals, odors, or aftertastes. Compact design and ease of use. AquaPure's design is both sleek and user-friendly, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Its portability allows for easy storage and the possibility to take it with you on the go, ensuring that you can enjoy clean produce anywhere. Cost-effective. A one-time purchase that includes batteries and requires no filter replacements, saving money in the long run. Why we love AquaPure. Significantly reduces pesticide and bacteria residue on produce. Enhances the natural taste of fruits and vegetables. Eco-friendly alternative to chemical cleaners. Easy to use with a simple water and salt solution. Durable and cost-effective with no need for filter replacements. How does AquaPure work? AquaPure utilizes a groundbreaking process combining tap water, salt, and electrolysis to purify fruits and vegetables. When water and salt are subjected to electrolysis, it creates a potent solution capable of breaking down and removing up to 99.9% of pesticides, bacteria, and mold from produce. This method is not only effective but also avoids the use of harmful chemicals, ensuring your food remains natural and safe to eat. AquaPure's technology is a testament to innovative, eco-friendly cleaning, offering a simple yet powerful solution for ensuring the cleanliness of your diet. How much is AquaPure and where to buy? The AquaPure offers an innovative approach to clean eating by purifying your fruits and vegetables. Available in various bundles, each package provides substantial savings and benefits. Single AquaPure bundle. Retailing at retail $149.99, this bundle is now available $79.99, offering a savings of $70. It's the most popular choice for individuals looking to try out the AquaPure technology for the first time. Buy one, get one 50% off bundle. Initially priced at $299.98, this deal allows you to purchase a second AquaPure at half price. You save $179.99, making it an excellent option for families or those wanting to gift one. Buy two, get one free bundle. The best deal offers 3 AquaPures for the price of 2, with the retail value being $449.97 and the discounted price at $159.98. This incredible offer saves you save $289.99, ideal for extended families or group purchases. AquaPure reviews complaints. Thank you for joining us as we explore the innovative world of the AquaPure Pesticide Purifier. We hope this review has shed light on how this device can transform the way you enjoy fruits and vegetables, making them safer and tastier with its revolutionary purification technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. If you're considering making the AquaPure part of your kitchen arsenal, check the links below for the best deals. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. For further information, please refer to the detailed description at techadvice.com.